Oh snap, this is the Margarita Rum Punch featuring our new premium margarita mix, guys. We have a new margarita mix and I'm giving you guys really simple recipes to try this out on. So we get our fishbowl, put in orange slices, lime slices, lemon slices, okay? And just to show you how crazy this margarita mix is, we can take it in a different direction. Rum. Come behind that with creme de bananas, and guess what? We top this with a margarita mix. That's right. We just mix rum with a margarita mix. Who's done that? No one, okay? This uncharted territory. We're going where no man has gone before. And the only reason we could go there is because this mix is that smooth. And there you have it. The Margarita Rum Punch. Now, listen to that phrase. Go ahead, Bobby, take a little sip while I talk to them. Listen to that phrase, Margarita Rum Punch. Something's wrong there, because a margarita is typically tequila, right? But we're using a new margarita. That's right, homeboy, Tipsy Bartender in the house. Okay, natural fruit juices, real cane sugar, no high fructose corn syrup, sexy bottle, handsome guy on the front. You see what I'm saying? We got it all, okay? And so we were playing around. That's someone's phone, yes. We were playing around, okay? And we mixed this, the cameraman, okay? He's in trouble. We were playing around and we mixed the rum with the margarita mix and we tasted it and it was delicious, homeboy.
So
super,
good.
super smooth. And I was like, wow. Okay, we go in a new direction. We try vodka next time, okay? But for right now, we're doing rum. And I dare you to try this with another margarita mix. I want you to drink it unmixed, just so you could taste how smooth this is. Seriously, this is really, really smooth, man. It is smooth, though, Bobby.
It is good, and you know I love rum. Throw a little bit of this, hey, it's perfection.
Yeah, it's awesome. And this is a nice little party size, you know, your little beach party. You could break this up. And we try to keep it simple because we only put in rum, banana liqueur, and this margarita mix. And homeboy, it works. It's delicious. It's so fun. Good. All right? So for all your bartending needs, you come right here to Tipsy Bartender and go get this. Cocktail-artist.com to find a store near you that sells this, okay? Keep this close, all right? Seriously. Okay, I sleep with this next to me. Sometimes I'm lonely, okay? I don't want to, you know? Stay tipsy, friends.